To buy a product from Mercari, download the Mercari app from the App Store and sign up for a new account or log into your existing account. Use the search bar or browse through categories to find the product you want to buy. Use filters to refine your search results based on criteria like price, condition, and location. Compare listings from different sellers to find the best deal. Click on the listing to view detailed information about the product, including photos, description, conditions, and seller ratings. If you have any questions about the product, you can use Mercury's messaging system to contact the seller directly. Once you're ready to buy, click on the Add to Cart or Buy Now button to proceed to checkout. Enter your shipping address or any other required details for delivery. Select your preferred payment method from options like credit or debit card, PayPal, or Mercury's secure payment system. Double check your order summary, including the total cost, shipping fees, and delivery estimates. Follow the prompts to complete the payment securely. After payment, you receive a confirmation email with your order details and tracking information. You can track your order's progress through the Mercury app. Once your order arrives, inspect the product to ensure it matches the listing description and meets your expectations. By following these steps, you can successfully purchase a product from Mercury and have it delivered to your doorstep. Thank you for learning how to buy a product from Mercury with us. Happy shopping. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.